USS Gerald R. Ford, the most advanced aircraft carrier in the world. This state-of-the-art vessel serves as a symbol of American power and technological prowess. The USS Gerald R. Ford is designed to project force across the globe, ensuring national security. Its advanced systems and capabilities enable it to carry out a wide range of missions. From launching and recovering aircraft to conducting humanitarian operations, it does it all. With its electromagnetic aircraft launch system, it can launch aircraft faster and more efficiently. The USS Gerald R. Ford incorporates cutting-edge technology to enhance its combat capabilities. Its advanced radar systems and stealth features make it a formidable presence on the seas. This aircraft carrier represents the future of naval warfare and defense. The USS Gerald R. Ford plays a crucial role in maintaining peace and stability in the modern world.